These 7 tools will replace 80% of your daily work, and most people haven't even heard of them yet. Welcome to AI Edge. Today I'm showing you the 7 AI tools that are genuinely changing how people work in 2026. Not hype, not clickbait. Real tools that real people are using to save hours every single day. I've tested dozens of AI tools over the past few months. These 7 made the cut because they actually deliver on their promises. Let's get into it. Number 1. ChatGPT. Yes, you've heard of it, but you're probably not using it the right way. Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. That's like using a Ferrari to go grocery shopping. The real power? Custom GPTs. You can build personalized AI assistants trained on your specific data, your documents, your workflows, your style. Real use case. A freelance writer built a custom GPT trained on her best articles. Now she generates first drafts in minutes instead of hours. That's not a 10% improvement. That's 10 times faster. Pricing. Free tier available. Plus is $20 a month. Number 2. Claude by Anthropic. If ChatGPT is the popular kid, Claude is the genius nobody talks about. Claude's superpower? Context window. It can process entire books, massive code bases, and hundreds of pages of documents in a single conversation. ChatGPT can't do that. Not at this level. Real use case. A lawyer I know feeds Claude entire case files, hundreds of pages, and asks it to find inconsistencies, summarize arguments, and draft responses. What used to take 2 days now takes 20 minutes. Pricing. Free tier available. Pro is $20 a month. Number 3. Midjourney, the AI image generator that makes everyone else look amateur. Midjourney doesn't just create images, it creates art. The quality is so good that professional illustrators are using it for client work. And the latest version understands context, lighting, and composition better than most human designers. Real use case. A small marketing agency replaced their stock photo budget with Midjourney. They create custom visuals for every client in minutes. Cost savings, thousands of dollars per month. Pricing starts at $10 a month. Number 4. Notion AI. If you use Notion, this is a no-brainer. If you don't, it might convince you to start. Notion AI lives inside your workspace. It can summarize meeting notes, draft emails, organize your tasks, and even brainstorm ideas, all without leaving the app you're already using. Real use case. A project manager uses Notion AI to turn messy meeting notes into organized action items with deadlines and assignees. Meetings that used to create chaos now create clarity. Pricing. $10 a month as an add-on to Notion. Number 5. Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google, but actually useful. Perplexity doesn't give you 10 blue links and hope for the best. It reads the sources, synthesizes the information, and gives you a direct answer with citations. It's like having a research assistant who actually knows what they're talking about. Real use case. A student uses Perplexity for research papers. Instead of spending hours clicking through search results, Perplexity delivers synthesized answers with sources in seconds. Pricing. Free tier available. Pro is $20 a month. Number 6. Zapier AI. This is the tool that connects everything. Zapier lets you automate workflows between apps. Connect your email to your spreadsheet. Connect your spreadsheet to your calendar. Connect your calendar to your task manager. And now, with AI, it can make decisions on its own. Real use case. A small business owner set up a Zap that automatically sorts customer emails, creates support tickets, drafts responses, and updates the CRM. Zero manual work. The business runs itself. Pricing. Free tier available. Paid plans start at $20 a month. Number 7. The wildcard. Suno AI. An AI that creates full songs, lyrics, melody, vocals, production from a text prompt. Yes, you heard that right. Type upbeat pop song about coffee and you get a radio quality track in 30 seconds. Musicians are using it for inspiration. Content creators are using it for background music. And some are even releasing songs on Spotify. Real use case. A YouTuber uses Suno to create custom intro music for every video series. No more licensing fees. No more generic stock music. Every video has its own soundtrack. Pricing. Free tier available. Pro is $10 a month. 7 tools. 7 ways to work smarter, not harder. But here's the thing. Tools don't make you productive. Using them does. Pick one of these tools. Use it every day for a week. Learn it inside and out. Then add another. That's how you actually 10 times your productivity. Not by downloading 7 apps and never opening them again. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. We're just getting started. The future of work is here. The question is, are you using it?